No one in this world is with you constantly. No one is completely on your side. And though I move my world to be with her, still the gap between us is too wide. Wasn't it good? Wasn't you fine? Isn't it madness? She won't be mine. Didn't I know how it would go if I knew from the start? Tell me why am I falling apart? Wasn't it good? Wasn't she fine? Isn't it madness? She won't be mine. Didn't I know if I knew from the start? Tell me